anyone can claim precision. Buyers want to see the actual result. Different curtain fabrics, different textures. The real question is consistency. This is not a catalog promise. This is real sample testing. Close-up details reveal edge quality, pattern control, and repeatability. One clean hole is easy. Consistent results across the full sheet are what build trust. When your customer has a new fabric, testing is the fastest way to get a clear answer. For traders, distributors, and manufacturers, real samples move decisions faster. Your customer is not just choosing a machine. They are judging the final fabric result. Send us your drawing and sample, and we can help verify the cutting result. Test first. Decide faster.